So hello students, after a long time we are meeting again at our channel. So in this we are going to do second topic of class 10, that is reflection of light, and in this topic we are going to elaborate process of refraction, mediums of refraction, types of refraction, refractive index, Snell's law, laws of refraction, total internal reflection, mirage, lens and types, lens equation or formula, power of lens, along with examples. So in this video we are going to do these topics, and one by one we are going to explain these topics. So first of all we are going to elaborate what is the process of refraction. So what is refraction, how refraction helps in daily life, what is refraction, how it happens, what type of phenomena it is. It is a two medium phenomena. Basically, what is refraction? Refraction is a process of bending of light when it passes from a medium to another medium after striking on surface. So in this we are going to elaborate how it is going to be happen. So firstly we have a medium like this is a beaker, and water is filled in this beaker. A light ray strikes on water surface and it refracts, and again it refracts. So firstly when it strike on water, it change its path. As it change its path, it again refracted when it strikes on the surface of beaker, and again it change the path. So this phenomena in which two mediums are there and the change of position of light is there, that this is called refraction of light. Refraction of light. So refraction of light says when a light rays from air passes through a medium, it changes its path, and the change of path that it happened, that is called refraction of light. So refraction of light, simply it is a process of bending of light ray toward normal or inward normal, that is called refraction of light. So this is purely a process in which two mediums are there. In this we are dealing with two mediums. Means one medium is air, second medium is something about water, object, and anything else. It can be anything that can reflect a light. That is the medium, and one is the air. It goes from rare medium to denser medium. So next topic is our laws of refraction. What are the laws of refraction? Like in reflection we have two laws, that incident ray, normal ray, and refracted ray lies on same plane, and the second one is angle of I is equals to angle of R. In this we have also two laws, that is incident ray refracted ray and normal ray, they both lie in same medium. Same medium. Like if we are drawing the normal here, this is normal, this is incident ray, this is refracted ray. They both lies in same plane. Same plane. But angle of I is angle of R, that will be equals to mu. Mu will be equals to sine of I by sine of R. This law is also known as Snell's law, and N is equals to C by V, where C is speed of light in air by speed of light in medium. So this is the ratio of speed of light in air to the speed of light in medium. So in this we are going to do a refractive index. Refractive index. This is the important part of this chapter, and we are going to do numericals of this topic also. So refractive index, what is refractive index? How you can say refractive index works? Refractive index works in the positioning of the image, and this is going to happen from the medium to medium. So after this, these are the two laws. That is, first law is law of lines, and second is law of angles. So in this, incident ray, reflected ray and normal ray lies on same plane, and mu is equals to sine of I by sine of R, that is equals to Snell's law, or refractive index will be equals to C by V. So next topic is your glass slab, refraction through a glass slab. Refraction through a glass slab. Refraction through a glass slab. So in this we are having a glass slab, and a light strikes on it, change its path, and again after striking change its path. So the path changed by this light, angle of I, angle of R1, angle of I, angle of R2. So the angle made here will be equals to angle made here, as it is air, medium, air. So we are having two refractive index, one is mu1 to 2 and mu2 to 1. As it passes from air to medium, it is mu1 to 2. As it passes from medium to air, it is mu2 to 1. 2 to 1. So these ratio mu1 to 2 into mu2 to 1 will be equals to 1 only. How? Angle of I is equals to angle of R1, and angle of R1 is equals to angle of R2. So this is R. If we are putting the values sine of I by sine of R for is equals to mu1 to 2, and sine of R1 by sine of R2 will be equals to mu2 to 1. So rearranging these values, we have sine I by sine R into sine R by sine I. Sine I, sine I, sine R cancel out, and the value will be equals to 1. So this is totally a game of refractive index, and it is nothing, it is a phenomenon in which light that strikes on a surface of a glass slab will refract. So this is your glass slab experiment. Next, we are going to have some kind of mirrors, some kind of lenses that are responsible for refraction. But for doing that, we have to learn about total internal reflection. What is total internal reflection and mirrors? So this is the topic of class +2 as well as class 10th. So total internal reflection or mirrage. In these both the cases are of a mirrage. Mirrage means a thing that does not exist, but by refraction it seems to be there. For example, while driving a car on a road in a hot day, we are having a mirage of having a water body on a road. That is a mirage. That is total internal reflection. A light that striking and refracting, refracting, striking, refracting. So this is going to happen at a spot. It will reflect back. It will not refract. It will reflect back in same medium where the angle of I will be equals to angle of R, and angle of I is equals to angle of R, which is equals to critical angle. Which is equals to critical angle, that is angle of C. Critical angle, the angle which is responsible for total internal reflection to happen, that is called critical angle, and angle of C will be always equals to 45 degrees. So where the light strike on I is equals to 45, R is equals to 45, having same critical angle, that is equals to TIR, total internal reflection or mirage. So best example is water in deserts, mirage of water. So if you are walking in a desert and you are tired enough, so you think that water is there after a smaller distance, but there is nothing to be there. ठीक है जी? So this is going to be the mirage. And next topic we are going to have lenses. So basically we have two types of lenses. We have two type of lenses. We are having lenses. Yes. We are having two type of lenses. That is convex lens and concave lens. It is thicker from center, thinner from center. It is made by joining two mirrors. So first one is like this and second one is like this. So this is going to be convex, this is going to be concave, this is going to be principal axis. This is going to be O. Here it is F1, here it is R1, here it is F2, here it is R2. So also in this O, F1, R1, F2, R2. So this is all about the lenses, and these terms are focus, radius of curvature, optical center. So these are some of the terms that are related to the lenses, that is principal axis, radius of curvature, focus, and optical center. These are the terms that are necessary for making out an image from this, and the image formed in the convex mirror is always real and inverted, but the image formed by concave concave lens is always virtual. As we have done in mirror, that concave mirror is always forming a real image, but in lens case, convex lens is forming a real image. So moving toward the next part, we are going to have rays, passes of rays, where the rays passes. So we are doing for a convex lens, a ray that is parallel to principal axis always passes to a focus, and the ray that is passing through the focus always going to be the parallel. Okay. The ray that is going from optical center will always back with the optical center. So it is going to same like a mirror, but it change its path. In mirror, it is going in same medium, but in lens it is totally opposite. Okay, so now we are going to have one or two cases of image formation. Other you will do by yourself. If you face any kind of problem, any kind of doubt, you can pin it in comment box, and as soon as possible I got your response, I will make a separate video for your doubts. So we are going to have image formation by convex lens. So as we are going to have a first case, image at focus and rays from parallel or infinity. So if we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 rays, it will reach out at focus, and the image will form at focus. So in this we are going to have a real focus, but in convex case we are going to have a virtual focus like this. Focus will be on another side, but it is virtual in it. will be on another side but real. So this is the focus finding case of a lens. So in this we are going to have a real focus as well as a virtual focus. So real focus will be in the case of convex lens and virtual focus will be in the case of concave lens. So this is all about today's video. Some of the topics are left from this topic, that is image formation by convex lens, image formation by concave lens, lens formula and power of lens. So these topics will be covered in next video. So if you have any kind of query or doubt, do comment in comment box. So your queries are really important for me. If you are giving a queries to me, then I will able to solve your queries for next video. So in next video we are going to do cases of image formation, lens formula, power of lens and some numericals. If I am making this video whole, this is going to be a long video, and I didn't think that each and every student is able to watch each and every topic in this video. So I am making a separate video for these topics. This is part 2 and this is going to be tomorrow. So in today's video, this is going to be all about today's video. If you have any kind of query, any kind of doubt, do comment in comment box. Comment box is open for everyone. So this is all about today's video. Thank you. Have a nice day.